if you live in the USA and thinking how to grow money. So this video is for you. Today I will tell you step by step how to start investing in the USA, which accounts open, and what are the best options for beginners if you want to start $100. TO is also possible, so make sure video end tak dako. Kianki last me main ek simple. Strategy share karunga jo long term me. Millions bana sakti high. Part 1, USA. Me investment kiun important. High USA me influencer every year average 2 to 3% hodi high. If your money just had bank savings. So he is actually losing value. Exemption. If you keep $10,000 just in savings account and saw 10 years later, his purchasing power will be reduced. So smart Americans invest. Stock market, real estate, retirement accounts. In the long term, stock market average is 8 to 10% year return. Part 2, Step 1, brokerage account. What is the first step to open a brokerage account? Popular platforms. Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. These apps are all over. Buying stocks. To invest in ETFs. Fractional shares lane. Good news? Minimum investment can start with $0 or $1. Part 3. Step 2. Stocks versus ETFs. Stocks. Buy direct shares of the company. Exemption. Apple, Tesla, Amazon. If the company will grow your money. Risk. If the company falls, money can be reduced. ETFs. Best option for beginners. ETF is a basket of a lot of stocks. Exemption. S&P 500 tracking ETFs. It includes top 500 US companies. Does this mean you put money in 500 companies in a single investment? Risk work. Stability Zyada. Long-term growth strong. Part 4. Retirement accounts USA. Is the most powerful investment tool in retirement accounts. Air 401. If you do the job, the company also match your contribution. Exemption. If you invest $500 and company $500 match, TO was instantaneously invested $1,000. Free money is like Roth IRA. If you are young, TO Roth IRA is the best option. ISME. You pay tax now. Withdrawals get tax-free in the future. In the long term, it is very powerful. Part 5. Real estate investment USA. Real estate is also a strong option. 2 ways. Buying direct property. To invest in REIT. REIT is a type of real estate ETF. ISA. Rental income can be found. Appearance also happens. Without property management tension. Part 6 to 3 mistakes avid. Kana jaldi lalak to double money. If someone is giving 30 to 40% guaranteed return, scam can be all money put in a stock. Market falls in short term. Diversification is important. Long term is up. Market fall to panic sell. Part 7. Simple millionaire strategy. If you invest $300 every month. S&P 500 ETF. Up to 25 to 30 years. Average 8 to 10% return pay. You can make $1 million portfolio. What is secret? Consistency plus patience plus discipline. Rich people are not lucky. They are displaced. If you felt this video helpful, like do. Comment me Liko. I will start investing. Subscribe to and channel size GAN. Because here we learn to grow money in a smart way. Get in the next video.